Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this one I'm going to be unboxing Essence DIY Advent Calendar, the Christmas countdown, which of course comes in this packaging right here. So this is our 2020 DIY Advent Calendar from Essence. That's how the box looks like. I bought this one here for €19.95. I will try to link the link where I bought the Advent Calendar. If it's still available, you can check it out. So let's go ahead and open it and have a look. Oh, okay, and straight away we are greeted by stickers. Okay, so that is what we are seeing when we open the calendar. Of course, I'll show you one by one. So the first product here, which is of course happens to be this sticker for our calendar. They look like this from number 1 to 24 right there. And we are also getting some bags as well, Advent Calendar 2020 bags, which looks like this. So we are getting 3 different designs here. So we have the green one here. Let me actually open them and show you how they look like. So we have this one here. You can see the Essence logo at the bottom there, and then we have another one, which is this one right here. And then the other one is just the green one, which is this one here. So we are getting 3 different designers there for our bags to put our products in. So yeah, if you want to give like for a present, you can pop them in here, put your stickers, and you are good to go. But anyway, let's go ahead and start pulling the products one by one. The first item I see here is an eyeshadow palette, and this one here, it's called Follow Your Heart. Okay, I don't have this one here, so that is nice to have, an eyeshadow palette that I don't have, because I have quite a lot of Essence eyeshadows, but this one I don't have it. I'll quickly open it and have a look how the color looks like. Oh, okay, very interesting shades. All right, so this is how this palette looks like, you guys. Look at those shades. They look stunning, I think. Wow, look at this bottom one. Ooh, that looks pretty. All right, so this is our first product, of course, an eyeshadow palette from Essence, Follow Your Heart. So next up we have over here what is it? Ooh, Pure Nude Sun Lighter. Okay, so it is a highlighter. This is our second product that we are getting in here, and it is in the shade 40 Be My Sunlight. You can see over there. So it is a highlighter, which I again don't have. I'll just open it and have a look how it looks like inside. Oh my gosh, can't get it open. Ah! All right, here we go. Ooh, that looks pretty. Look at that, you guys. That's a lovely shade, isn't it? Okay, I'll quickly just go ahead and swatch it. Let's swatch it and have a look. Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, look at that. That is definitely blinding. I am all about blinding highlighters. All right, moving on, we have a blush over here, which is from their Matte Touch blush, which is this one here. So again, I don't think I have this particular shade. It is in the shade 10 Pitch Me Up. All right, I'll just show you how it looks like. So that is our blush. The color looks gorgeous, but I think I will definitely pass this one on. All right, moving on, we are getting here a mascara, Instant Volume Boost Mascara, smudge proof and intense, in the color black. So that is this. I don't have this one again. I mean, I have quite a lot of Essence and mascaras, but somehow I don't have this one here. So let's have a look how the one looks like. Oh, look at that. There we go. That is that. A mascara we are getting there from Essence. Okay, I'll definitely give this one a go and see how it's going to perform. All right, we have some nail polishes in here. Okay, so the first one is glitter on glitter off peel off nail polish, which is this one here. The color looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh, look at the sparkles in there. That's wonderful. Okay, I cannot wait to wear this like for the holidays. And it is in the shade 03 Party Queen. All right, that is a pretty color right there. We also have another one here which is also in silver. Look at that. So we have like an options here, you know, silver and the other shade as well. This one is in the color 01, put a ring on it. Oh, all right, so the silvery finish there, as you can see. Next up we have some lashes, lash on, lash off, volumizing magnet lashes, which are of course these ones here, which again I don't have them, so I would definitely give them a try. But that is how that one looks like, of course. Okay, I'll give them a try and see. Have you guys tried any of these? Let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, those are the lashes. Let me just bring them closer so you can see how they look like. You can see right there. Okay, so that is that. Moving on, we have some lipsticks here. Okay, so this one is of course actually a lip gloss from their Plumping Nudes, which I reviewed every single lip gloss in this collection. I'm going to link that video down below, so I would definitely, you know, give this one away. It is in the shade 05 Bold Love. So if you guys have seen my review on those, you know, Plumping Nudes lip glosses, you may have already seen this one. So yeah, I'll definitely pop this one, you know, in the giveaway. Yeah. And then up next we have also matte long lasting lip gloss in the shade 02 Beauty Approved. All right. This one here, that's a beautiful, you know, more like a nude kind of shade, which I don't have this one, by the way. So let me just quickly swatch it and have a look at the color. Oh, okay, this looks promising. Look at the shade, you guys. So that is the lipstick right there. Okay, I'm not mad at this color. I think it looks beautiful. Yeah, I'll probably do another video one day, you know, I try all these products that I haven't tried just yet. All right, next up we have a brush, more like a blending brush, short blender brush. Okay, which is this one here. So that's how it looks like. I'll go ahead and show you how it looks like, if I can get it open, that is, of course. All right, here we go. So this is how this brush looks like. You can see right there. So you can use this one, you know, to blend your eyeshadows, and it feels quite steady, you know, the bristle there, which is quite lovely. And right here is just like a white finish, the handle. So that is that, a brush. Already moving on, here we also have what are these? Studio Nails wood sticks. All right, so we have some wood sticks here, which of course you can use for your nails. As you can see there, we're getting, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So we're getting 5 of them in here. So yeah, that is that. I have never really used these ones, but hey, always first time for everything, right? Right. All right, moving on, we have, what is this? We have a instant color lip liner. All right, in the shade, what shade are you? 05 So Ungrateful. Okay, so it's this color right here, which I don't have. Let me quickly swatch it and have a look. Interesting shade. Okay, so that is the one right at the bottom there, as you can see right here. That's how it looks like, this shade right here. Okay, and it does have a sharpener as well right at the back here, you know, if you want to sharpen it. So it comes pretty much, you know, handy here. So you can see a sharpener right there. All right, so yeah, I'm not mad at the color. I think it's not mad. It's not mad. I mean, it's not bad color. I think I can use it. All right, let's move on to something I see here, which is oh, we have a skincare products in here, you guys. We are getting a mask. Time to Wake Up face sheet mask. hydration boost. Okay, look at that. We are getting a mask, you guys, in this calendar. Oh, that is interesting. If my camera can focus, thank you very much. Focus. All right, so look at that. We are getting a mask in here, you guys. Okay, so I'm quickly going to read what it says here. So hydration boost reduces visible signs of tiredness, fast food, party. Okay, I'll be ready in 15 minutes. Interesting. I will definitely try this because I do love face mask. So yeah, why not? There we go, face mask. And next up we have, of course, a nail polish, a top coat nail polish, and it is written here, glow in the dark top coat moonlight glow. All right, this is how this looks like. Of course, it is a top coat, you know. You pop it on top of your nails after you have, you know, colored them. Top it up with this one here, and that is how it looks like. It's more like that kind of finish, really. Yeah. Okay, I have a lot of, you know, Essence nail polishes. So yeah, it goes from last year's advent calendar. Oh boy, we had quite a lot of nail polishes, and I still have some of those. All right, moving up, we have a lot more products to go. Here we are getting an eyeliner, so Super Last eyeliner matte in black. Here we go. And this is how, of course, this liner looks like the tip you can see there. All right, let me quickly try to draw a line. Yeah, it is definitely, you know, super black right there. Okay, I cannot wait to use this one here. I will definitely be using it in the future. All right, an eyeliner, super. Next up, we also have a lipstick, which is from their, what is it, Color Up Shine On 08. Okay, 08 what? Just say 08. Okay, interesting. But it is this lipstick right here. I like the packaging, looks cute, I think. All right, opening it up, and the color looks gorgeous as well. So that is how the shade looks like. I will not be swatching this one. Most likely I'll end up giving it away because I have quite a lot of those similar shades anyway. But that is the lipstick, of course, that we are getting in this calendar. Moving on, we have also a lip gloss from their Crystal Wet Look in the shade 01 Bright Diamonds, which is this one here. Look at that. I don't think I have anything from this collection, so I will definitely be keeping this one here. Let me swatch it somewhere. Oh, it's just a clear with some sparkle in it. Oh, but looks gorgeous. Look at that at the bottom there, you guys. Look at that. Oh, that looks lovely. Okay, I cannot wait to try this one here. You can probably wear it on its own, or, you know, on top of a lipstick to add that sparkle to your lips if you're interested in that kind of thingy. All right, moving up, we have here a lip primer with shea butter, which is this one here. As you can see, lip primer with shea butter, and that is how, of course, this looks like. You can see there, it's more like a clear kind of, you know, kind of finish, clear. Yeah, definitely. Okay, I'll actually swatch it. Yeah, it is just a clear finish, but it smells quite lovely actually. Okay, so lip primer, there we go. We still have a few more to go here. We also have lip peeling. Okay, My Beauty Lip Ritual Step 1 peeling, which is, of course, this one right here. As you can see, let's just go ahead and open that. There we go. So that is another product there that I would definitely, you know, end up using, because I do use this kind of product there. And moving on, we have some, you know, nail stickers here, which I never use, by the way. So I would end up just giving these ones away, in all honesty. But those are the designs, as you can see. I think they're looking pretty, not too bad. So yeah, those would definitely be given away. And then we have here a cut out eyeliner tool. Okay, so you can use it for your eyeliner. Interesting, look at that. So we're getting like different shapes in here. You can see like towards the end there. Look at that. Okay, let me just actually open this one because I'm interested to see how they look like. Oh, okay, look at that. So that's how they look like for your eyeliners. You can create like different shapes, I suppose. Okay, that's very interesting. I'll definitely give this one a try. I mean, why not? All right, interesting stuff. And we have some messages here too. For example, Miss Superstar, Miss Pretty Girl, Miss Miss Trendy, okay, Miss Natural. So you can like choose which one you want to be for the day, really. So that's not a bad idea actually. I would love to give this one a try. And it does give you some, you know, instruction at the back here. You can see right there, I guess, on how you can, you know, use it. All right, so next up we have a mask, lip mask with shea butter again, which is just like a sample. You can see right there. So yeah, that is that. And we have 2 more products to go. This one here is of course from their HD Hydro Primer Spray, moisturizing plus energizing. Okay, I don't have this one here, but here we go. That is how it looks like. You can see prime and, you know, studio. All right, so you can use this one here to, you know, to set your makeup. And yeah, it says here the HD Hydro Primer Spray is the perfect base for your daily makeup. Okay, it hydrates your skin and gives an energized fresh skin feeling with coconut water and pro vitamin B5. Okay, less visible pores for an even skin tone. Okay, so that sounds really cool. So that is that. And then last product we have here is what? A nail filer. What is this? Yep, it is indeed, which is this one here. As you can see, I was hoping it to be pink, but it's not. So yeah, I would definitely end up giving this one away as well. But yeah, you guys, we have our box here now empty. As you can see, those were all the products that was of course in this Essence DIY Advent calendar. Let me know what you think of the product. I mean, we have quite a lot of goodies in here, and I think I can see myself using, you know, the majority of them. I would definitely give a lot away as well, because some of the product I already have them either in the same color or like a different, you know, different color. But I would definitely, yeah, do that, keep some and give some away. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, and give this video a thumbs up and ring your bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new exciting video. There will be more, you know, future unboxing. And yeah, so lots of love. Go have a good one. Take care, and I shall catch you all lovely people on my next video. Bye for now.